Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back to this channel. I hope everybody is doing perfectly fine. Today I'm preparing one of Ghanaians favorite street food called Bankye Akraklo or Akraklo, or some people also choose to call it cassava donut. This Bankye Akraklo is normally eaten with matured coconut or granules. So with a sharp knife, I'll begin by peeling my cassava and wash all the dirt from the cassava. Let it dry for at least 5 minutes and cut your cassava into smaller pieces. We are going to blend it. You can also grate it if you want. Blend for at least 2 minutes for everything to become smooth. So in a clean cloth, I will strain the juice from the cassava or squeeze it very hard for the water to come out. Or you can use a food presser to squeeze out the juice. It works perfectly fine if you have the food presser. But for now, I'll use my clean clothes to press out all the juice from the cassava. I'm not going to throw the water away. I will let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Strain the water from the surface and keep the rest to use it as starch. Next, I'll add in half chopped onions, half tablespoon of salt. I will also grate the 2 onions left. Remember not to add in too much onions because you don't want your Akraklo to taste better. Mix everything very well and begin to mold it to your preferred sizes. In a hot pan, add in your oil, add a sliced onion to it to give it a little bit flavor, and drop your Akraklo. Make sure your fire is not on high heat because when it's high, you're going to burn your Akraklo and we don't want that. Make sure it's on low heat so you get the outside and the inside fried perfectly fine. Stir until everything begins to turn into golden brown. I will be enjoying this Bankye Akraklo with some matured coconut. You can choose to enjoy it with granules. It works perfectly fine as well. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching today's video.